In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Notion. If you want a simple way to organize information inside your Notion database, tags are one of the most useful tools you can use. They make it much easier to group related items, scan your content quickly, and keep everything structured in a way that makes sense at a glance. Whether you're working in a table, board, list, or gallery view, the process is very similar. To begin, open the database where you want to add your tags. This can be any Notion database view, including a table, board, list, or gallery. Once you're inside the database, look for the plus icon that says Add a Property. This is where you create a new field for your database. And in this case, that field will be used for tagging your entries. After you click Add a Property, Notion will show you a list of property types you can choose from. In the search bar, type Multi-Select, then select it from the list. This property type is important because it allows you to assign more than one tag to the same item, which is perfect if something belongs in multiple categories. Once the property has been added, rename it to Tags. Giving it a clear and recognizable name helps keep your database easy to understand, especially if you're using several different properties for sorting and filtering your content. Next, click into an empty cell under your new Tags property. This is where you'll create your first tag. Type the name of the tag you want to use. For example, you might use tags to track status, topic, priority, or any custom category that fits your workflow. When you've entered the tag name, press Enter or click Create to save it. At that point, your tag is ready to use. As you continue working in your database, you can click into other cells in the Tags column and add the same tag again, or create additional ones as needed. This gives you a flexible way to label and organize your items without changing the structure of the database itself. That's all it takes to add tags in Notion. It's a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in how easily you manage and find your information later. Thanks for watching.